Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are talking about the Pancakeswap. What's the current price of the Pancakeswap and what's the price that's open in the Pancakeswap? In this video I'm talking about the very important update which you need to keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on friends. So the current price of the Pancakeswap, the cake token, as you can see here, 27.25 USD dollar is the current price of the cake. On the other side, if you look, the price is okay in the Pancakeswap. So the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, price is okay in the Pancakeswap as going negative friends. The price is going down. Every time the price of the Pancakeswap is going down, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week. So now why they fast down and what's the reason behind it and what is the next move when the price become again positive? Let's see my friend the price chart for more details and what's going this time in the Pancakeswap. As you can see here, if you look the last 1 day price chart of the Pancakeswap, so as you can see here, that is the last 1 day. As you can see here, a very bad dump, a very bad fast occurred in the Pancakeswap from the previous last 13 hours friends. 13 hours continuously fast occur in the Pancakeswap as you can see here. But on the other side friends, if you look the price chart of the Pancakeswap, so as you can see here in the previous time they take a jump friends. So I think that, as you know, that is the common procedure, that is the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, that every cryptocurrencies fast down for a little time and after a little fast they again take a jump, as you can see here, fast down and after this fast again take a jump. But now the track is that they take a jump for a little time and again fall down friends. So I hope that's my prediction friends. Maybe they gain positive, but my prediction is that Pancakeswap falls down for throughout the next 2 days friends. After 2 days maybe they take a jump and the price change become positive friends. If we look, the price change occur in the last 1 day, so negative 7.9% changes occur in the Pancakeswap and 32.41 USD dollar is the highest price of the cake token. And now current price 27.254 USD dollar for absolute, you understand, approximately a 5 USD dollar falls occur in the price of the cake swap in the last 1 day friends. So my personally suggestion for all of my viewers, my subscriber, is that if you are a holder of cake, so please hold it, don't sell it, because the price is negative and you are in the loss if you sell. Don't sell it, hold it. And again I'm telling you, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe now and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.